Dear students on DC online platform, I am Sunil Kakde, faculty in mathematics. Now we will see very important short tricks, that is type number 8. इसके पहले मैंने टाइप 1 से लेकर टाइप 7 तक उसका लिंक दिया है डिस्क्रिप्शन में, आप देख सकते हैं वीडियोस टाइप 1 से लेकर टाइप 7 तक. नाउ टाइप नंबर 8, that is integration is of the type linear upon quadratic form. Linear upon quadratic form, that is px plus q, this is a linear term, divided by this is quadratic form ax square plus bx plus c. If d is greater than 0, here d का मीनिंग है discriminant. Discriminant is greater than 0. जिसका शॉर्ट ट्रिक्स है p upon 2a into log of f of x. So यहाँ f of x मैंने क्या, consider this one. Consider this is f of x. This is f of x plus q minus pb upon 2a into 1 upon root d. D is discriminant का value into log of lower factor upon higher factor. Factors of this quadratic form. So example यहाँ लिखा मैंने, integration 2x plus 3 upon x square plus 7x plus 10. This is linear by quadratic form. So let's first find out the value of d and check this value of d is greater than 0 or not. So to find the value of d, the formula of discriminant is b square minus 4ac. So we require values of a, b and c. So value of a is here, I'm written the values a is 1, b is 7 and c is 10. So b is 7 square, that is 49 minus 4 into a is 1 into c is 10. So it gives 49 minus, it gives 40. So it gives answer 9. This is greater than 0. So value of d here greater than 0, it means give the answer 9. So d is greater than 0, so by using this short tricks. Also we required values of p and q. So we required p and q here. So p is 2 and q is 3. p is 2 and q is 3. So integration p upon 2a, so value of p is 2 upon 2a, 2 into value of a is 1 into log of f of x. F of x means this quadratic form x square plus 7x plus 10, then plus in bracket value of q is 3 minus pb upon 2a, value of p is 2 into value of b is 7 divided by 2a, 2 into value of a is 1 into 1 upon d into यहाँ multiply 1 by d. So value of d यहाँ find out किया है, d का वैल्यू कितना आ रहा है 9. So value of d is 9 into log of lower factor upon higher factor. So we required factors here. So I am finding the factors of this lower factor upon higher factor. Factor of this quadratic form, I am finding here the factors. Equation is x square plus 7x plus 10. So we required product 10 and addition 7. So 5 into 2, that is 10, ये product आ रहा है, and addition 5 plus 2, that is 7. उसके फैक्टर्स जो क्या आ जाएंगे, x square plus we can write here 2x plus 5x plus 10. So if I take x common, it gives x plus 2. Take 5 common, x plus 2. So factors will be x plus 2 and x plus 5. x plus 2, x plus 5. ये चेक करना है आपको, लोअर कौन सा रहेगा, हायर फैक्टर कौन सा रहेगा. इफ आई पुट x is equal to 0 here, it gives 0 plus 2 2 and 0 plus 5 5 means x plus 2 is lower factor than x plus 5. So lower factor upon higher factor. So log of lower factor, that is x plus 2, upon higher factor x plus 5 plus integration constant c. So if I simplify this, it gives, ये देखिए 2 upon 2 to get cancel out, तो यहाँ क्या आएगा, log of mod of x square plus 7x plus 10 plus 3 minus, यहाँ 2 to get cancel out, ये आ जाएगा 7 into 1 upon root 9, it gives 3 into log of mod of x plus 2 upon x plus 5 plus c. So it gives the final answer, that is log of mod of x square plus 7x plus 10. देखो यहाँ कितना आ जाएगा, 3 minus 7, that is minus 4. It gives minus 4 by 3 into log of mod of x plus 2 upon x plus 5 plus integration constant c. This is the answer of this question, that is linear by quadratic form. इसमें important क्या है, first to check that this value of discriminant is greater than 0 or not. Note down this. Okay, now type number 9, linear upon quadratic form, but here d is less than 0, there discriminant is less than 0. इसका पहले टाइप जो लिया मैंने 8 नंबर का, उसमें क्या था, d is greater than 0, that is discriminant is greater than 0, टाइप नंबर 8 में. टाइप नंबर 9 में क्या है, discriminant is less than 0, it means gives negative value. So px upon q, px plus q upon ax square plus bx plus c, that is integration short tricks is p upon 2a log of f of x plus q minus pb upon 2a. यहाँ तक सेम है, जो फर्स्ट का था टाइप 8 का और टाइप 9 का, यहाँ तक तो सेम है, यहाँ से आगे थोड़ा डिफरेंट है. 2 अपॉन रूट ऑफ माइनस डी, डी इज हियर डिस्क्रिमिनेंट, इनटू tan इनवर्स f डैश ऑफ x अपॉन रूट ऑफ माइनस डी प्लस इंटीग्रेशन कांस्टेंट c. तो एग्जांपल, that is integration x plus 2 upon 2x square plus 6x plus 5. So first find out the value of d here, discriminant. So d is b square minus 4ac. We require values of abc. Here a is 2, b is 6, c is 5, and also we require the value of p and q. So find out the value of p and q. p is here, कुछ नहीं, मतलब क्या रहेगा, 1 रहेगा, and value of q is 2, value of q is 2. So b is 6 square, that is 36, minus 4 into a is 2 into c is 5, it gives 36 minus 4 to the 8, 8 into 5, that is 40. So it gives minus 4. So d is less than 4, it means this value gives negative, less than 0. So now by using these short tricks, p अपॉन 2a, p का वैल्यू यहाँ पे कितना है 1, सो 1 अपॉन 2 इंटू वैल्यू ऑफ a इज 2, 2 into 2 into log of mod of f of x means that is quadratic factor 2x square plus 6x plus 5 plus q minus pb upon 2a. So value of q here 2 minus pb upon 2a, p is 1 into b is 6 upon 2a, 2 into a is 2 into 2 upon root of minus d, 2 upon root of minus d. So value of d is here minus 4, लेकिन यहाँ मेरे पास माइनस है तो माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा, that is 4 into tan inverse f dash x upon root of minus d. F dash x means derivative of f of x, that is derivative of this function. So derivative of 2x square is 4x and plus derivative of 6x is 6 and derivative of 5 is 0, लिखने की जरूरत नहीं, divided by root of minus d, it gives minus minus plus 4 plus integration constant c, 1 upon 4, 2 to the 4 into log of mod of 2x square plus 6x plus 5, यहाँ देखो कितना आ जाएगा इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट 2 माइनस यहाँ देखो कितना है 2, ये आ जाएगा 3 आफ्टर डिवाइडिंग, दैट इज 3/2 into 2 upon value of root 4 is 2 into tan inverse in bracket 4x plus 6 upon root 4 is 2 plus integration constant c. It gives 1/4 into log of mod of 2x square plus 6x plus 5. After solving it 2 to get cancel out, यहाँ देखो आ जाएगा 2 to the 4 क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई 2 to the 4, 4 minus 3 that is 1, 1/2 into tan inverse in bracket, if I take 2 common from here it gives 2x plus 3 plus integration constant c. This is required answer. So note on this, remember this short tricks. यहाँ पे d is less than 0, ये important है, सबसे important. इसके पहले में क्या था, d is greater than 0 था. Note on this.